Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo and sorry. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ugo and I'm loving my hairdo. I'm not gonna get carried away again. Welcome back to my channel. Of recent on my Instagram, someone asked me for a green smoky eye, and I'm like, okay, I have never done a green smoky eye before, so I might as well just start now to start having green smoky eyes on my channel. And yeah, I was excited but scared because green is a very hard color to work with, but I took on that challenge and I am here today, and as usual we're about to get what? Lit with some green eyeshadow. Father Lord, commit this tutorial into your hands. Woo! Before we jump right in, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to your girl's channel. Support your girl because I'm producing more content. How about directing? I'm making more content now for you. What is wrong? I am making more content now for you guys, trying to focus on my YouTube some more because makeup artistry can easily take away everything from your life. Anyway, subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video so you don't miss out on some inspiration. Anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to jump right into this messiness of cream. Everybody has to see my earring today because I put effort and I wore earrings, so everybody has to see my earring today. So first of all, I've done my brows, contoured the whole shenanigans, and I have powder under here. Just in case of fallout, you already know the drill. To prime my eyes today, I'm going to use the brand new Yaga Beauty Assurance Shadow Primer. I have never used this before and I'm going to be testing it out today. I'm placing this primer all over my lid the way I would place any primer, and it feels a bit liquidy, but I want to believe it will dry down matte or something. I'm just going to use my discretion and blend it with a brush. Just see what happens. Okay, so the eyes are primed. Yeah, that is looking good. Next up, for easy blending, I'm just gonna put some powder on my brow bone because there's concealer there, and I'll love some my eyeshadow to just blend up to my brow bone easily, so I'd rather just set this concealer now. For today's eye look, I am going to be going into my Morphe. Oh wow, they are up. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. For today's look, I'm going to be diving into my Morphe palettes, and I'm going to be using the 35U and the 35C. One is all shimmer colors and one is all matte colors, so I'm going to be mixing both shimmers and mattes today. I like to start with my shimmer shades first because I get what I want, then I start to blend in my mattes. That's how I do mine. First off, using the 35U palette means to go light or dark. They did not specify, so I'm just gonna mix in basically all the green shades. Oh, this is blue. Stop it over. So I'm gonna go in with this green shade right here. I'm just gonna pack that all over my lid. I am going out today and I'm so scared because I'm like green eyeshadow. I'm just patting that color in. I didn't want to just do like a green matte smoky eye. I wanted it to pop a bit because it would be nice with like a green matte smoky eye, but like some shimmer and some love to this particular smoky eye. Now I'm going to take this green right here and I'm going to just tone down because I'm trying to look smoky and dark. So I'm just going to put that green on top, cleaning my brush first. So going in with that dark green, I'm going to like start blending. I don't know why I even brought that other one all the way out because I was going to cover it up. And just shade it into this green. Start getting my smoky effect. Basically, I'm going to be going back and forth. And then still dragging the darker green over here. Honestly, guys, if I tell you I know what I'm doing, my name is liar. Alright, next I'm going to go in with this green shade right here, and I'm just gonna start connecting all this together and blending any harsh line. And I'm using my Morphe M507 brush. I absolutely love this brush. Like when I say love, I mean love. I'm bringing it all the way in and just in a circular motion, blending away any lash lines. Girl, where you going, man? Where are you going? Like this. Alright, okay. Next, I'm going to go in with this lighter green here and just, grade this, adding some gradient to that green so it's not too dark with that lighter green. Yes, you might call it a green smoky eye, but every shade on the eye doesn't have to be green. Okay, now we're going to go in with some brown. I'm going to go in with a more fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to go in with this shade right here and just blend out and connect this to my brow bone and just hope for the best in life. Oh, this is so good. Okay, now my green makeup is taking a good turn. I like to blend it all around, not just on the top. Now I feel like I just want to take away some of the lightness of the green, so I'm just going to go into that dark shimmer shade and just come a bit more forward. Now I'm just going to take some powder from here. I'm just going to blend that all the way everywhere inside. So I just want to be extra because it's green smoky eye, but it doesn't have to be boring, and green is already very. So I have some glitter liners here from Glam Crystals. They're my absolute fave. I have different shades. I have Spandex, Pow, and Le Fric. But I think Le Fric is more of blue, so let's drop that, like a bluish green. So now we're left with these two. I don't know if you guys can see. So I don't know which one I want to go with. This is like green, and this is like bluish green with gold reflexes. You know what? I'm just gonna mix the two together. I'm gonna be using those two shades, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush just like this, and I am going to place both on the lid, just like this. Oh, this is more like the eye color, just to mix, just for some extra, and mixing them on the eyes, mostly on my lid, to be honest. And I'm just going to use that brush. You know what I need to see what I'm doing, because this mirror, I'm not seeing nothing. Yeah, so I'm just gonna now spread that with a brush. Oh, that's so pretty. So next we're gonna put some mascara on the eye, and we're just gonna pop that. Almost to the lower lash line, I decided to fix my lashes. Alright, so today for lashes, my eyes are very small, so instead of going with like a full lash, I'd rather go in with something wispy. And today I'm going to be going in with the Glam Addict, 5-in-1, 5-pair-in-1, 5. And this is in the style Go Get It, because I'm a go getter. Oh, they're so pretty. Now, I always wear contact lens, and I always have issues with my lower lash line drama. I want to do lower lash line drama so much, but the amount of eyeshadow that enters my eye is ridiculous. And then I'm like, so I was like, pencils to the rescue. This is like the dark green and light green. I'm not going to say the names yet because they've not launched yet. So first I'm going to put the dark green color. Let me just sharpen that real quick. For the waterline, I'm going to use the dark green shade and just put that in my waterline. So now I'm just going to go with the lighter green and just brighten the lower lash line up some more. Now I'm going below the waterline, not directly on the waterline. And I'm taking, this is gonna like, I'm not taking it all the way in. This is ending like somewhere here. Now I'm going to take a round blush and some of that shadow I used as my transition shade. With that, I'm just going to blend the liner, and they're blendable as well, very blendable. So I'm just going to take the liner, some of that, and just move the liner as well, and connect that. So there's a connection between top and bottom. That's exactly what I'm trying to get. okay? And that is mostly like on the outer corner of the eye. Ooh, ooh, girl. And lastly, we're gonna add some lower lash mascara. Not too much. Now we are done with the eyes. We're gonna go in with blush and all that. Oh, my face is already contoured, so now I'm just gonna go with my e.l.f. blush, and I'm just gonna take this shade right here. I was more heavy-handed here. Next, I'm going to go in with some highlight, and for highlight today, I'm going to go in with the BEAUTYByAD Beauty the Glow palette. This is like a green, it's a gold highlight, but it has like green, I don't know, it's green, but then it pulls off as gold. If I confuse myself, so I'm gonna go with my favorite gold first, and then just mix these two together. You know, since we're doing green eyeshadow, I might as well make it a team effort. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm just putting it all away. Now for the brow bone, I'm gonna do the same mixture I used for the, you know, for the cheek. Yes, that green gold is so pigmented, I can't. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna take more of the green gold and just now you see the green gold. Next up for lips, I'm gonna be using the BEAUTYByAD new liquid lipstick in Buff. Oh my god, that is so dark. Oh, this smells like chocolate. Oh my god. The EliseClaire Undress Gloss. It is a clear gloss, and I'm just going to put that over this. Give myself some shine. Guys, I just feel like my lip is too dark, so I'm just gonna add some Huda Beauty pink stuff. That's way better. To seal all this in and give myself an extra glow, I'm going to go in with the TF Essential Hydrating Facial Glow Body. This is so long. Glow Body and Glow Mist in Angel. I love this stuff so much. I use it every time. When your setting spray touches your hair, just as it slick down. Yeah. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it because I loved it. I'm not really a fan of dark lips, but today I decided to go deeper and be wearing green, and I just wanted to look a bit different. I thought I was going to hate this eyeshadow, but I absolutely love the eyeshadow. And to you out there that asked for the smoky eye, I hope like it. I didn't want to give you something boring because I just put matte that green everywhere to be like, but I think I'll do that maybe later on, all matte smoky eye. But for today, I said to like play around with the rings because I was just scared. That's it. I was scared to my bones about it. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me through my struggle of not knowing what I was doing, because at first confusion hits me like a wrecking ball. It hits me. But I, got the best of it and came out with this, and I really like it. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to subscribe to your girl's channel, because you know we're always lit over here. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys like this sort of videos. If there's anything else you guys want me to see, please leave it down below, and I will be sure to take on the challenge like I took this one. I will take it on and I will give it to you. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Mwah!